Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this popular pineapple drink. You need pineapple, cucumber, and ginger and lime. Now I'm going to show you some of my ingredients, and I am also going to use my Ninja. So let's go ahead and get started. This drink does require you to have 4 cups of water. My measure cup is 2 cups, so which is why you only see me put water in twice. I did cut up a whole pineapple, but all you need is 1 cup of pineapple. Just eyeball it if you can. It's not going to always be exact because of the chunks of pineapple. Next you're going to need is 1 cucumber. Mine was kind of small, so which is why I only had like a handful. Then you just need some ginger. I got a whole ginger root and just cut up a small piece, and and I got like 3 little cubes out of it. I didn't have any lemon or lime, so I just used the juice. I just eyeballed it and put it inside. Next, you're just going to blend everything up. Now, I don't understand why you need 4 cups of water, but I guess this drink is supposed to last you a couple of days. You are supposed to drink this every morning on an empty stomach before you have your first meal, and then you just continue on. Now, I only did this for 3 days, so I didn't do this long enough to even see any weight loss reduction on the scale, but I can say honestly my stomach was getting flatter. It was not like bloated or anything. Now mind you, I did this before I went on my vacation last week for Christmas. So you just drink a full glass every morning on an empty stomach before your first meal, and that is it. The taste is not all that pleasant, but you will get used to it. It's not sweet at all, which is why I think I probably should have added a little bit more lemon drink to it. But once it's cold, it does taste a little bit better, but this was not cold at all. The pineapple was not cold. Nothing was cold. So you're going to see my face expression. It wasn't all that tasty, but I did commit to 3 days and my stomach was flat. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and make sure you go ahead and let me know if you tried this drink. Have you lost any weight? Just let me know in the comment section. Talk to you later. Bye, gorgeous.